Hi again, and this is making an Android game and or app or what you want. I don't care. So we'll make a simple Android app, which will be a calculator. And today we are going to make the layout for it. So first of all, delete this text view and use the graphical layout. We need table layout, which will be I will just expand it. So it will be full size. It's here. Oh my god, I can't see anything. So right now this is aligned to everywhere. So, or at least I hope so. I'm parent, right? So yeah, this is now aligned to every single, I don't know what's the word. So every single, um, so right, left, up and down. So you know what I mean. So um, we want buttons. We want at least um, 10 buttons. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean not 10, 0. And plus minus um, divide, I mean, and multiply. I hope that's the word. So just you just throw it up there, and you have got buttons. But this is not the way I want. Why? I can't use table layout. I just realized it. So first, because I don't know how table view works, but for this particular reason, I would use two kind of linear layouts: vertical and horizontal. Vertical for 3 buttons and horizontal for each button. Button, button, no, button. It's button, not button. So we have these two kind of linear layout. I mean, we have to use at least um, 3 of them, because we want this for to be at plus id slash first row. Why is it making an error? What is wrong? No orientation is specified. I want it to be horizontal. What's wrong with it? So set it horizontal and make this id to be at id at plus id slash second row. we are never going to use this, but after, I don't know, a year or two, if you will look at your code, you will understand what you have done a year before. So this is gonna be third row. So it's going to be, I don't know, ID row container, or let's call it button container. So after we made this, we are going to add first button, second button, third button, and maybe, oh no, later we will add the multiply and everything else. So we are going to add these buttons. Yep, it's working. And these IDs are working perfectly because we want these to be. Oh, I need another row. So, oops, sorry. So this linear layout will contain the last row, which will be 0 and equal. So this will be just two buttons, and this I will call just 0. Yes, I want to update references, and this I will call equal. Don't show me this again. Yeah, button equal. I want to show this. Call this button equal. So now we want all the buttons. I mean, this button I want to be quite, I don't know, I don't want to set a weight, but I want to set a width to match parent. So this will be our equal button. So our text will be, and we will just make a new string called button text equal, and this is gonna be just sign of equal, and we set it. I want this to be button 0, which will be just 0, and oh I made a huge mistake. So if you ever looked at the calculator, you have noticed that the buttons are in a weird position. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So this where the ID is 7. This is going to be 1. So you have to reorganize everything except for the second row, which is going to be the same. So after you did this, we're going to continue our text making progress. So this is button 1, and our string is to be 1. Click OK. I could hard code text this, but Eclipse wouldn't like this. So if you are getting bored, I don't know, just skip it. So button 2, oh, Jesus Christ. Edit text. Oh my god. So, after I made this mistake, you can find the string. I'm just modifying at values, and after you are familiar with Android, you can make different languages at different folders. So if you make values and underscore, I don't know, fr, then you are making a French language for your program, or if you're, what are you making? So I think I'm going to just stop this YouTube video, and I'm then going to finish this layout, and then we are going to work with the main file, so we can just start working not so boring things. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.